let's stay in range. Because we're going to learn how to control the edge without distance. The distance is what's keeping you, both of you away from really making contact. You also got to learn to be able to stand inside the pocket and keep from getting hit. So let's try to stay as close as you can, and both guys, lots of punches. Let's go. Not hard. Just go ahead. Let him go. Let him go. Right there. There you go. In range and everything. You got to come back up. You can't just cover. You know. Good. There you go. Just let your hands go at the same time. No. All right. Let the hands go. Go ahead. Go ahead. So you can't just cover. Let's go. Let's go. More hands. More hands. Stop hands. Go ahead. Stay right there. You're all right there. It's all right there. Good. Stay right there. Good. Stay right there. Good. Your punches will stop a lot of hits. There you go. Good. Let's go. Stay close. Contact, guys. Contact. Stay right in there. Stay right in there. There it is. Good. Good. Stay right in there. Nice one, Joey. Good. Right back in. Right back in. He's being first. That's it. That's all that's making a difference in this. All right. He's being first, and that's it. All right, guys. Get your heads. There you go. Don't wait. Don't wait. There you go. Good. Just like that. Let him go. Right there. You got weight instead of allow him to get control of the exchange. Go ahead. Close up. There you go. Let's go. Contact. Right there. Just don't wait too much. Let's go. Contact. There you go. Good. All right. Good. Let's go. Come on. Work. Body hand. Let's go. Good. Both hands. Body, Tony. Get it. Good. Get it on him. Smother him. Tony, smother him. Go ahead, Chuck. Let's go. Nice. Good. Get it on him. Smother. Hands high. Step in. There you go. There. Now, come on. Stay in on it. Don't give him room to punch.
Remember that jab when you're backing up?
30 seconds. Okay, quick hands. Both you guys quick hands at the same time. Let's go. Both punches. Go. Quick hands. Quick. Good. There's no shot. Good. Go quick. Fast. There you go. Good. Work. Fast on this car. Inside. Come on. Quick hands. Get your target. There you go. Right there.
There's another one running in.
Yeah.